Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your headphones Beats Solo3 on your iPhone. So basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, you can use a box, and at the bottom of the box right here we have serial number, so you can check it here. Also you can check it at the headphones, and at the right headphone right here we have the same information. As said, it means serial number, so this is the second option. And the last option is to use your iPhone. So open settings, and right here, if you pair your headphones, you will see this line. So click on it, and right here we have a serial number. Also the same menu as this one we can find in the Bluetooth. So click on it and then click the information icon, and we will have the same menu, and here's serial number. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!